The best browsers for your phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the best browsers to download and start using with your phone for Android and iOS. So let's start. The first browser is Brave. Brave browser is one of the best browsers that I use personally, that it have a private web browser option, and it have many other options. And the second one is Opera. Opera is also one of the best fast web browsers to use it with your phone. And the last one is UC browser. This one is actually one of the best. Even I don't use it, but I use it to use it. I hope you understand. Anyway, that's it for today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.